Hey guys, we've all been there trying to send a large file via email or messaging app only to face size limits or reduced quality. But what if there was a way to share files effortlessly with no loss of quality? Quick Share preserves the original quality of your files, whether it's high resolution photos or a detailed document or a large video. In this video, we'll explore how Quick Share works, its standout features, and how you can use it across Android, Windows, and iOS devices. Let's dive in. Quick Share is a feature that allows you to send files without an internet connection. While originally developed by Samsung for Galaxy devices with features like private sharing for encrypted transfer, the broader Android implementation focuses on quick, simple file sharing over Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Both ensure your files arrive in the original quality. Now that we know what Quick Share is, let's take a look at how to use it on our devices. Using Quick Share on your Android devices, including Samsung, is easy and just takes a few steps. Let's break it down. First, we need to check if Quick Share is enabled. Go into your settings, search for Quick Share, select that menu, and inside there you should be able to enable it. If not, and choose which Google profile to link. You can also access your Quick Share settings from the control panel by swiping down and looking for the Quick Share icon. Now that you have Quick Share enabled, open the file you want to share. This could be a video, photo, or a document. Tap the Share option, and from the list of sharing options, select Quick Share. Your phone will automatically scan for nearby devices that have Quick Share enabled, so make sure it is on the devices that you want to share. When you see the device, select it from the list. I will also show you how to share with iPhone as well as Windows devices. And then the recipient will receive a prompt to accept the transfer. Once they do, your file will be sent instantly. Quick Share also works seamlessly with Windows PC, expanding its usefulness beyond Android devices. Here's how you can set it up. First step is to download the Quick Share app from Windows from the official website. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Google account. Make sure both your phone and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network to enable devices to find each other. Open the file you want to share on your phone, tap the Share option and select Quick Share. Choose your PC from the list of available devices. The file transfer will begin once the PC accepts the request. Okay, let's move on if your device does not have Quick Share, for example, any iPhone. Quick Share isn't limited to finding devices nearby. It offers a creative solution for quick transfers using QR codes. Although iOS devices don't have a dedicated Quick Share app just yet, sharing is still simple. First step is to open the file you want to share on your Android device, tap Share, and then select Quick Share. Choose an option to generate a code for the file. On the iPhone, open the camera app and point it at the QR code. A link will appear for the recipient to download the file directly. This method works seamlessly for sharing photos, videos, and even documents between Android and iOS devices. Quick Share ensures the file quality is preserved so your content remains sharp and clear. With private sharing, you can set an expiration date and time on files to ensure they are no longer accessible after a certain period. Use private sharing to make sure files are shown only on the recipient device and accessible only within a set expiration date. First, make sure you turn on private sharing option before selecting the device on contact to share with. This is how it follows similar how you normally share, but before you send the file, you need to turn on private sharing. So similar how we share file on Android, just open the file you want to share, select Share, and then tap Quick Share. On the top there's three dots, and if you select the three dots and turn on private sharing, then you can set an expiration date. You can set a day or 2 days or even a few hours or a few minutes, up to 7 days. So then you can go ahead and choose a contact from the device. This has to be a person with a Samsung device. Once shared, the person will receive the file and can only open the file on a certain device, and after the expiration date expires, they will no longer have access to the file. So there you have it, guys. Quick Share makes file sharing a breeze. Whether it's photo, videos, important documents, you can transfer files quickly over Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or data. There's no cables, no compression, just easy sharing. So let me know if this is useful. Leave me a like or a comment, and please subscribe.